I feel like I've done so many hair dyeing videos.
Woof.
Hey everyone, hello. I'm dyeing my hair. I'm dyeing my hair a gorgeous copper color. It's this color, kind of. It's called rose quartz. Maybe it will be a little pink. Hair sample they had, it was kind of a pinky golden color, but I have, these are expired also, not that one, the rose quartz. These are from 2020. If I need to like orange it up, if I need to deepen it up. Also, my roots. I put toner in my natural hair. It's so cool. So I'll insert the clips and everything of me doing that. Hi you guys, I know I look gorgeous here, but I made a mistake. Do not do this. I used 30 volume developer, which I did not know you are not supposed to do with toner, and from what I read, it like deposited a demi-permanent dye, or it like lightened it. I'm still not sure, but it is light, and it has been for like 3 or 4 weeks, so don't do this. Oh, I don't know what, I literally like paused as if like I'm playing them. Okay, that's weird. So I did tone my hair twice and I used the entire container. So I already separated my hair. Oh, so cute. I feel like that's the issue with like lots of my hair fails, is I don't separate my hair. And I've had lots of fails, so it's time for a positive. Oh, okay, this is a pretty color. Oh my gosh, yeah, it does look really pink. This is what it looks like this pretty pinky red. I'm gonna add, I think I'm gonna actually add a little bit of conditioner. I was gonna get the color diluter, but I just thought it would be a waste of money. You know, it really kind of is just conditioner. I've never used these ion dyes. I'm gonna add a little bit of the orange. A little scared too because it's expired. It smells delicious. Shite. If this turns out super orange,
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
I guess I should do a strand test. What if I do a strand test and I don't like it? You know? I'm gonna like it, you know? It does look really pink. Every time I've dyed my hair, I don't use gloves. Oh shoot, I already got dye on my shirt. Because I just don't feel like it. But I'm gonna use gloves because my nails are pretty. I know they're like dark blue, so they won't get stained, but I just don't want them to. And when I dyed my hair pink, it stained my nails. They were like a light pink, and it stained my right hand nails dark pink. It was kind of cool. I'm just gonna do it. Let's just go for it. It does look really salmony. Okay, I want to add more conditioner. This video will come out like 2 weeks after I'm doing this, so it'll probably be like faded by then, because I'm trying to like kind of get as many filming opportunities that I can, and I've just been on my A game, you guys, filming. In my last hair dyeing video, I talked about all the different colors of hair I've had, so I can't talk about that now. But you guys, I think pink was like my favorite hair. I'm low-key hoping, not hoping, I do want this like a coppery ginger. It probably won't be too coppery though. But I'm like low-key kind of happy that it's a pinkish tint, so that way I'll have pink hair again. How are y'all? Yeah, it's the beginning of February now. Well, it's not actually, February's tomorrow. I'm hoping I could get my, like, go blonde again over spring break when I'll see my aunt. And then after that, I'll just do like touch-ups at like Ulta. But this bottom portion of my hair, you guys, it was like box dyed. Don't box dye, y'all. Y'all saw that? The power just flickered. What was I talking about? I don't want this to be like super vibrant. Like I kind of just want like a pink, or copper is actually what I want, a coppery pink rose quartz. That's literally what it is, or like rose gold. When I dyed my hair pink, like in 2018, I really wanted it to be like a rose quartz color. Obviously I couldn't do that because my hair wasn't light enough and it was a hot pink because that's what I had available. Why am I acting like it's gonna be pink? I feel so cool. When I box dyed my hair, that like bright red orange, it looked so good. But it was box dye. That was my red hair era. You guys, I had a red hair era and I didn't even realize. It also only lasted like 2-3 days. Apparently like red hair is like red, orange, coppery, ginger hair is hard to keep up and maintain. Oh my god, you guys. Joni Mitchell took her music off Spotify. It was hell. Like it literally like was the worst thing to ever happen to me. I was like listening to her music while they announced it. Not while they announced it, after I saw it, I immediately went to listen to her music on Spotify. I was like, haha, it's still playing. They were joking. All of a sudden it said it wasn't available. I'm literally living out like my childhood dreams. Like I'm not even kidding you guys. When I was like younger, I wanted to be a scene kid. I literally thought I would like be famous on MySpace. I was like, I'm gonna dye my hair like so many colors when I'm older. Like I'm literally like my hair is gonna be like the color of a rainbow. And I'm gonna do it myself because like how hard could it be? This little piece of hair, maybe this hair is supposed to be on that side and that's why. Yeah, it's always like that every time I do my hair. I think it's supposed to be over there. Comment down below if you have a widow's peak. Comment down below if you have connected or disconnected earlobes. Mine are connected and they're tiny. Again. Oh, the power actually went out. Don't worry, you guys. Anyways, I'm just saturating this. It really looks pink. All of it's gone. I feel like Chromatica Lady Gaga, or like Allie in A Star Is Born, because she had like ginger hair, right? Set a 30-minute timer. I literally never use my shower cap like in the shower because I always just like clip my hair up. I only use it when I'm dyeing my hair because you have to make sure the dye stays wet. Anyways, I wish I could continue talking about my dreams of being a scene kid. I'm so dumb, you guys. I could have done a strand test on this tiny piece of hair that I cut off because I trimmed my hair because it's not Venus retrograde anymore, so
1 week later.
Hi everyone, I kept putting off filming the after and I washed my hair and it like faded. I mean like there's portions that are still a little pinkish, but I'll insert like I will insert clips from last week. Like I was putting it off, I just forgot. And then I washed it with dandruff shampoo so it faded. I'll do a little twirl for you so we can get a before and after. Even though it's not necessarily the same color, I might adjust the lighting a little bit just to make it look like how it looked last week, so you know what it looked like straight off the bat. But I also will include pictures and images of that. But let's do a spin. Kind of liking it right now, but it was like, I feel like the color of it before was like baloney. Like I literally, when I remember washing it in the shower and I looked at it, I said, okay, that's too orange. I should have not added the orange. So I immediately got like the dandruff shampoo and just let that sit for a little bit, scrubbed it a little extra. And I think that's what made my hair like not super great last week was it was too dry. Sorry, don't do this. Don't do what I did. My issue with this is I think I accidentally like lightened my hair or something. What happened was the developer I used to mix was 30 developer. That's why it was changing the color in 30 developer. I'm not like an expert, you can look this up yourself. When I looked it up, it said like the toner acted as like a demi-permanent dye, or maybe it bleached. No, it couldn't bleach it. It couldn't lighten it because there's no bleach. So yeah, acted as like a demi-permanent. In the next like month, I'm gonna redo blonde all throughout. But maybe sometime after that, I will try again for copper. And now I know exactly the color I'm going to use. I was just scared to use it. The way I've tried to make my hair copper so many times, and I just can't. Okay, anyways, goodbye. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. I did. Oh, my nails are like, ignore that.